Hey everybody, Brendan again over at AutoStar Chevy Buick in Waynesville. I want to show you this awesome new package we've got available for Silverado. This is a 2020 RST trim Silverado 1500. It is equipped with our Forceman package. That's a special package GM is doing right now. They've done it in the past, but it's going to get you this illuminated front black bow tie. Come around, we've got the blackout package on all the emblems. Running boards are included. We've got a nice hard folding tonneau cover. And then the real special part about the Forceman package is when you purchase the truck, GM donates to the Patriot Foundation, which is a foundation that is going to help post-secondary education funds for kids of veterans who have been killed or passed away to make sure they can carry on in their life and get a good career and education down the road. So if you have any questions about it, my name is Brendan Bishop over at AutoStar Chevy Buick in Waynesville. We're worth the drive.